First place. How did that go so fast? Whoa!
Yellow flag.
What the hell? I don't like this fucking gear. So what did it say in those rules about the new gear that you can buy for it?
Just said you could use
We
those
gave you the same copy of rules we got.
It had to be between 28 and 30 feet.
My third.
Jesus.
Oh shit.
Yellow flag.
It has to be between 28 and 30 teeth is what it said. Whoa, I didn't know that. Oh, there's some wrong card right there.
Wow, whose was that?
That's mine. I told you that fucking.
You didn't get your gear mesh right the second time?
Probably not.
Wow.
Gotta take the motherfucker apart every time.
What do you mean?
Oh.
Oops, sorry.
Right.
Oh, there I'm off. Fuck.
Oh, didn't spin.
Yellow flag.
Am I on? Fuck.
No.
Slow down now.
Yellow flag.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So you think they got enough of these little cars ready so they can race now?
Yellow flag.
Oh, if you sent it to me, I might have.
Yeah, Bob finished his car, so they got 4 of them.
1 minute. Yellow flag. Yellow flag.
God damn.
Yellow flag.
Well, seems like.
Fuck is it, me?
I don't think so. You might have.
What are you doing?
Fuck. Thank you.
Kind of hard to, yeah, from the corner to get it over, but I mean, it's not good at all.
Yellow flag.
Fucker.
10 seconds left. Red flag.
Oh, there's a lap record right
Yellow
there.
flag.
Up. What the fuck?
Pick up the buggy.
I don't know why I keep thinking Tom's that black card.
Wait, pulling cards, Mom.
Yellow flag.
I will definitely be true in these buckets.
Yellow flag.
Red.
Finally, I got a little bit of luck.
Oh, left. Okay.
Oh. Did you pull out?
How you get kids?
Damn, that gear sounds like it's already gone.
Whoa. Fucking weird.
Like it's drifting.
Show off.
You got Tom up there? Let that be Tom.
So, oh, this is kind of, so you're gonna very much after it.
Oh,
1 minute left. Yellow flag.
Oh, we know who's got last.
look. It's a pile up.
Thank you, Mallory.
Yes, you're welcome. Sorry, I wasn't.
That was in perfect order. You put it back in perfect order. First on, first off. Very well done. I just wish I wasn't last to fall off over there.
Okay.
Ah! How much is Tom paying you?
It's close.
Seconds left. Red flag.
Oh, fuck.
Yellow flag.
I think I might have forgot to turn on the camera.
Yeah. Thanks, Daddy. I seen you going for it.
Don't be afraid to use your button, dude.
Yellow flag. Yellow.
No, he didn't get in his fucking sprocket. I think I was close. I was riding hard there, reloading. I noticed today when I was putting my body on why you put that spacer in there. That spacer, huh?
Yellow flag.
Did you have to glue your brass insert thing into your...
I did.
I did.
I'm going through the heat.
Oh, he almost knocked me back on.
You didn't treat your tires?
Not these, no. I always. I don't know what fucking set it did.
Huh?
I screwed some set. I think it was I think I tried screwing the stock and SR tires. That's what I tried. I haven't really fucked with it.
That don't look like I'm breaking fucking Tom's winds, dude.
Yellow flag.
That fucker sounds like shit, right?
I know. I just stuck it on there. It's probably fucking too tight or something.
It ain't gonna last long, that's for damn sure.
Ten seconds left. Red flag.
Uh-oh, someone's on my red lane.
Oh,
Someone's on the red lane.
What are you doing?
I was on the wrong way. I thought my car felt funny.
Fuck.
Sorry, Corey.
Alright.
Hey! I think Tom's saying it. Fucking coming out.
It's like ice right there. It's weird.
Oh, that fucking... Could there be a fucking braid loop nut up there?
In that, under that corner there.
Oh!
almost hit the button.
Whoa.
Yellow flag.
Ripping it.
Where is that fucking braid roller?
Over here.
Hold on.
What one? Is
Yeah,
it
this
the?
one is pretty. This right here is pretty.
I'd see it up there in the corner too. Yeah, right.
Well, I'm only coming out like right at the end somewhere. I don't know. I don't see it. Can you see it? I can't.
I think it's
The fuck was that?
I had to guess.
Where am I at? Ready? Who's going?
Go.
Fucking remaining champion.
Perfect timing. Oh!
No, not perfect timing, fucker.
Thanks, Daddy.
Oh!
You're gonna fucking wipe out.
Clean off them tires.
Fucking weird.
Yellow flag.
Nelly.
Did you say finally too?
Yeah.
Yellow flag.
Whoa.
Oh, two of them up there.
Oh, don't be in my lane, don't be in my lane, don't be in my lane.
Yellow flag.
Got a fucking crash in that corner. Come on, man. Fucking down 3 laps. You got no chance.
3.
Yeah.
Seconds left.
Yeah.
Is this the last heat?
Yeah, Tom's got this one in the bag.
I don't know.
Oh, I do. 10 seconds. 3 laps ahead.
Checkered flag. Race over.
We're making 3 laps after 10 seconds.
Is that it?
Don't worry.